Hi, good evening students. Today we are going to discuss the topic homogeneous functions and homogeneous differential equation. First we have to define what is homogeneous functions. Let us consider the function f1 of xy equal to x plus y. Here it can be written as x into 1 plus y by x. That is equal to x into function of y by x. Next we have to consider another function f2 of xy. It is equal to x square minus y square. That implies x square into 1 minus y by x whole square. Here it is equal to x square into function of y by x. That is, here it is a function of variable with the same degree. It has same degree in variable y and x. This type of functions are called homogeneous functions. Let us consider another example. f3 of xy equal to x cube plus xy square plus x square y. It is equal to, now here, x cube into 1 plus y by x whole square plus y by x. That implies it is equal to x cube into function of y by x. That is, here the variables are in same degree. That is, the functions with the variables have same degree. This type of functions are called homogeneous functions. That is, here f1 is equal to a function of y by x and x2 equal to, this is a function of y by x, and x3 is also a function of y by x. That means here f1, f2, f3 are said to be homogeneous functions of same degree in y and x. Next, how can we check the given function is homogeneous or not? Let lambda be a non-zero constant. Then we can check f1 of lambda x lambda y equal to lambda into f of xy. If it is satisfying, therefore we can say the function f1 is homogeneous function. Let us consider the function f1 of xy equal to x plus y. Therefore f1 of lambda x lambda y equal to lambda x plus lambda y. That's equal to lambda into x plus y. It is equal to what? Lambda into f1 of xy. That is the function satisfying f1 of lambda x lambda y equal to lambda into f1 of xy. Therefore, this function f1 is called the homogeneous function. Next, consider another function f2 of xy equal to x square minus y square. Therefore, f2 of lambda x lambda y can be written as lambda x whole square minus lambda y whole square. That's equal to lambda square into x square minus y square. That's equal to lambda square into f2 of xy. That means here f2 of lambda x lambda y can be written as lambda square into f2 of xy. Continuing like that, we will get fn of lambda x lambda y equal to what? Lambda raised to n into fn of xy. It is a homogeneous functions with degree n. Next, we have to define homogeneous differential equation. The differential equation means it consisting of dy by dx form. Therefore, first we have to consider the LHS is of the form dy by dx equal to the function x plus y by x. Now here, if it is homogeneous or not, first we have to check x equal to lambda x and y equal to lambda y. What happened here? It is equal to lambda x plus lambda y divided by lambda x. That's equal to lambda into x plus y divided by lambda x. That's equal to lambda divided by lambda. That is lambda raised to 0 into x plus y divided by x. That is equal to lambda raised to 0 into 1 plus y by x. Throughout divided by x, therefore lambda raised to 0 into 1 plus y by x. That is lambda raised to 0 into a function of y by x. Next, we have to consider another differential equation dy by dx equal to x square minus y square divided by xy. Put x equal to lambda x and y equal to lambda y. Therefore, equal to lambda x whole square minus lambda y whole square divided by lambda x into lambda y. That's equal to lambda square into x square minus y square divided by, here lambda into lambda, that is lambda square into xy. Next, it is equal to, here lambda square by lambda square, that's equal to lambda raised to 0 into inside, here dividing throughout by x square. Therefore, numerator what? 1 minus y by x square divided by, the denominator is what? Y by x. That is, here it is of the form lambda raised to 0 into the function of y by x. That is the function of variables with the same degree. Here x and y are same degree. That is lambda raised to 0 into a function of y by x. The function f of xy is a homogeneous function with degree 0 or a function of y by x. Such differential equations are called homogeneous differential equation. That is dy by dx equal to a function of y by x. That is, here we have to considering dy by dx. dy by dx equal to f1 of xy divided by f2 of xy. Here f1 and f2 are homogeneous functions. Here f1 and f2 are homogeneous functions of same degree in x and y. Same degree in x and y. That is, this type of differential equations are called homogeneous differential equation. Next, how can we solve the homogeneous differential equation? First, we have to arranging the LHS as dy by dx and RHS as a function of y by x. That is, in this question here, x into dy by dx equal to x plus y. Therefore, dy by dx equal to x plus y divided by x. Next, we have to change RHS as the form, the function of y by x. That is, here it can be written as x into 1 plus y by x divided by x. That is, here x cancelled. That implies it is equal to 1 plus y by x. Here numerator we can take x outside. Therefore, 1 plus y by x divided by x. Therefore, it is equal to dy by dx equal to what? 1 plus y by x. That is, here it is a function of the form dy by dx equal to function of y by x. That is, it is a homogeneous differential equation. Then next we have to substitute y equal to vx. Therefore, v equal to y by x. Y equal to vx. That implies v equal to y by x. Next, we have to consider dy by dx. dy by dx equal to what? V into 1 plus x into dv by dx. That is, v into d by dx of x plus x into dv by dx. Therefore, dy by dx can be changed into v plus x into dv by dx. That is, here the second step, put y equal to vx or v equal to y by x. That is, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Next, substituting y by x equal to v and dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx in this homogeneous differential equation. Therefore, the homogeneous differential equation becomes v plus x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v. That is, y by x equal to v. That implies x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v minus v. That is, x into dv by dx equal to what? 1. Next, we have to write this one as a variable separable form. How can we write? X into dv by dx equal to 1. Therefore, dv equal to what? Dx by x. That is, here we have to write variable separable form. That is, dv equal to dx by x. Next, integrate on both sides. Integral dv equal to integral dx by x. Integral dv means v. V equal to integral 1 by x dx. That is, log x plus c. That implies here v is what? Then finally we have to replace v equal to y by x. That is, y by x equal to log mod x plus c. This is the general solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. That is, here first we have to arrange dy by dx equal to a function of y by x. Then next, by the substitution method, put y equal to vx or v equal to y by x. Then next, find out dy by dx. dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Next, you have to replace dy by dx as v plus x into dv by dx and y by x as v. After that, we have to separate the variables. Then finally, integrate on both sides. We will get the general solution. Answer the question. Answer the differential equation x square plus y square dx equal to 2xy dy. First, write the equation of the form dy by dx equal to g of y by x. That is, first you have to write in homogeneous differential equation. First, that is first question, write the given differential equation into a homogeneous differential equation. Then second one, solve it completely. Then first one, x square plus y square dx equal to 2xy dy. Therefore, dy by dx, first we have to change into dy by dx. It is equal to what? How can write dy by dx equal to x square plus y square divided by 2xy. Arranging dy by dx equal to x square plus y square divided by 2x y throughout dividing by x square, that is 1 plus y by x square numerator divided by the denominator is what? 2 into divided by x square, the value will be y by x, that is it is of the form g of y by x, that is here the numerator and denominators are divided by x square, we will get the function is of the form g of y by x. Next, how can we solve this type of differential equation? Put v equal to y by x, that is y equal to vx. Next, we have to find out dy by dx. dy by dx equal to what? V plus x into dv by dx. Next, substituting dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx and y by x equal to v in this homogeneous differential equation. Therefore, dy by dx can be written as v plus x into dv by dx equal to RHS what? 1 plus v square divided by 2v. Then next we can consider x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. X into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. That implies 1 plus v square minus 2v into v. That is minus 2v square divided by 2v. That's equal to what? V square minus 2v square. That is minus v square. That is 1 minus v square by 2v. That is x into dv by dx equal to 1 minus v square by 2v. Next we have to separate the variables. That is we have to write in variable separable form. Therefore, how can we write x into dv by dx? Next we have to write in a variable separable form. Therefore, x into dv by dx equal to what? 1 minus v square by 2v. Now here 2v divided by 1 minus v square dv equal to what? Dx by x. Next, integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. Therefore, integral 2v divided by 1 minus v square dv equal to integral dx by x. Integral 2v by 1 minus v square dv equal to integral dx by x. Now here, integral 2v by 1 minus v square. Then how can we change this integral as the form f dash of x? Integral f dash of x by f of x dx. Now here throughout multiplying by -1. That is here it can be written as integral 2v by v square minus 1 dv equal to minus integral dx by x. That is throughout multiplying by -1. That is this integral can be changed in the form f dash of x by f of x dx. That is it is equal to integral f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log f of x. Therefore, this will be equal to log of mod v square minus 1 equal to here minus integral dx by x, that is minus integral 1 by x dx, that is minus log x plus log c is an arbitrary constant. That implies log mod v square minus 1 then plus log x equal to log c. That is here log a plus log b, that is log ab. Therefore, it can be written as log of mod v square minus 1 into x equal to log c. That is log a plus log b equal to log ab. That is equal to here log mod v square minus 1 plus log x can be written as log of v square minus 1 into x equal to log c. Then mod v square minus 1 x, it can be also written as log mod 1 minus v square into x. Both of them same. 1 minus v square into x equal to c. 1 minus v square into x equal to c. Therefore, 1 minus here we want y by x. Y by x whole square into x equal to c. 1 minus y by x whole square, that is equal to what? 1 minus y square by x square into x equal to c. That implies here cross multiplying x square minus y square divided by x square into x equal to c. Here numerator x and denominator x square, therefore one x cancelled. That implies x square minus y square by x equal to c. That implies x square minus y square equal to cx. X square minus y square divided by x equal to c. Therefore, x square minus y square equal to cx. It is the general solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. Next question. Consider the equation x cube plus y cube dx minus xy square dy equal to 0. Express the equation in the form dy by dx equal to f of xy by g of xy. Next, solve the given equation. Here given x cube plus y cube dx minus xy square dy equal to 0. That implies x cube plus y cube dx equal to what? Xy square dy. Next, we have to write this equation into homogeneous differential equation. That is, it is of the form dy by dx equal to function of x and y. That is here dy by dx. dy by dx equal to what? X cube plus y cube divided by x y square. That is, it is of the form what? F of xy by g of xy. Next, we have to change into homogeneous differential equation throughout divided by x cube. dy by dx equal to, here the numerator is x cube plus y cube throughout divided by x cube. That is 1 plus y by x whole cube divided by, then the denominator dividing by x cube, that is y by x whole square. That is, it is a homogeneous differential equation. Dy by dx equal to 1 plus y by x whole cube divided by y by x whole square. Next, put v equal to y by x, y equal to vx, and find out dy by dx. Then substituting dy by dx here and put y by x as v, y by x equal to v. That implies y equal to vx. That implies dy by dx equal to what? Dy by dx equal to v into dy by dx of x, that is 1 plus x into dv by dx. Then substituting here dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. That is v plus x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus y by x as v. That is v cube by v square. Therefore, next x into dv by dx equal to what? 1 plus v cube divided by v square minus v. That is equal to 1 plus v cube minus v square into v. That is v cube divided by v square. Here plus v cube minus v cube cancelled. Therefore, it is equal to x into dv by dx equal to what? 1 by v square. Next, we have to write in a variable separable form. That is, it is equal to v square dv equal to dx by x. Next, integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. We will get integral v square dv equal to integral dx by x. That implies integral v square dv, that is v cube by 3 equal to integral 1 by x dx, that is log x plus c. Next, we have to replace v by y by x, that is y by x whole cube by 3 equal to log x plus c. That implies y by x whole cube, that is y cube by x cube divided by 3, that is y cube by 3x cube equal to log x plus c. Therefore, y cube equal to what? Y cube equal to 3x cube into log x plus c. Here, y cube equal to 3x cube into log x plus c. This is the general solution. Next question. Solve x into dy by dx minus y plus x into sine of y by x equal to 0. First, we have to consider x into dy by dx equal to, we have to take this one in this side, that is y minus x sine of y by x. Therefore, dy by dx, first we have to consider LHS as dy by dx and RHS as function of y by x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to, here throughout divided by x, that is y by x minus sine of y by x. Next, put v equal to y by x. Therefore, y equal to vx. Therefore, dy by dx equal to what? V plus x into dv by dx. Then substituting dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx and v equal to y by x in this homogeneous differential equation. That is, here it is of the form dy by dx equal to function of y by x. Therefore, the homogeneous differential equation becomes v plus x into dv by dx equal to v minus sine v. Then next, x into dv by dx. Next, we have to write in variable separable form. Therefore, x into dv by dx equal to v minus sine v, then minus v. Take it as this side. Therefore, minus v. V and minus v cancelled. Therefore, x into dv by dx equal to minus sine v. Therefore, dv by sine v equal to minus dx by x. That is, here we have to write in a variable separable form. Next, we have to integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. That is integral dv by sine v equal to minus integral dx by x. Then integral dv by sine v, that is 1 by sin v, that is cosec v. Therefore, integral cosec v dv equal to minus integral dx by x. Integral cosec v dv minus integral 1 by x dx. Therefore, integral cosec v dv is log mod cosec v minus cot v equal to integral 1 by x dx is log x. Therefore, minus integral 1 by x dx, that is minus log x plus log c. That is log c is an arbitrary constant. That implies log cosec v minus cot v equal to minus log x plus log c. Therefore, log cosec v minus cot v plus log x equal to log c. That implies log a plus log b, that is log ab. Therefore, log of cosec v minus cot v into x equal to log c. That implies cosec v minus cot v into x equal to c. That is both sides log will be cancelled. Therefore, cosec v minus cot v into x equal to c. Next, substituting v equal to y by x. That is equal to what? Cosec y by x minus cot y by x into x equal to c. Consider the homogeneous differential equation x square minus y square dy by dx equal to 2xy. Put v equal to y by x and get x dv by dx. First question. Second one, convert the above into a variable separable form. Third one, solve. That is, find the general solution of this homogeneous differential equation. First, x square minus y square into dy by dx equal to 2xy. Therefore, dy by dx equal to what? 2xy divided by x square minus y square. That is equal to throughout divided by x square. The numerator is 2 into y by x divided by the denominator is 1 minus y by x whole square. That is dy by dx equal to 2 into y by x divided by 1 minus y by x whole square. This is the homogeneous differential equation. First, put v equal to y by x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to what? V plus x into dv by dx. Then substituting here, that is dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx equal to 2 into here y by x equal to v, that is 2v divided by 1 minus v square. Therefore, x into dv by dx equal to 2v divided by 1 minus v square minus v. That is here v plus x into dv by dx equal to 2v by 1 minus v square. Therefore, x into dv by dx equal to 2v divided by 1 minus v square minus v. That is equal to 2v minus 1 minus v square into v, that is 1 minus v square into v divided by 1 minus v square. That is equal to 2v minus 1 into v, that is v, then minus into minus v square plus v square into v, that is plus v cube divided by 1 minus v square. That is equal to 2v minus v, that is equal to v plus v cube divided by 1 minus v square. That is x into dv by dx equal to v plus v cube divided by 1 minus v square. That is equal to, here the numerator v plus v cube, we can take v outside, that is v into 1 plus v square divided by 1 minus v square. So we have to write in a variable separable form, that is 1 minus v square divided by v into 1 plus v square dv equal to dx by x. Next, we have to integrate on both sides. That is integral 1 minus v square by v into 1 plus v square dv equal to integral dx by x. Next, here integral 1 minus v square by v into 1 plus v square dv. That is here integration on an improper integral, that is the LHS is equal to integral 1 minus v square divided by v into 1 plus v square. It is an improper integral. Therefore, we have to consider the integral of this function as 1 minus v square divided by v into 1 plus v square equal to a by v plus bv plus c divided by 1 plus v square. Now here it is equal to a into 1 plus v square plus v into bv plus c. 1 minus v square equal to a into 1 plus v square plus v into bv plus c. That is numerator 1 minus v square equal to a into 1 plus v square plus v into bv plus c. Next, consider the condition, put v equal to 0. Therefore, this will become 1 equal to a into 1 plus 0 plus this term is 0. That implies a equal to 1. Next, we have to equating the coefficient of v. Equating the coefficient of v. Here the coefficient of v is 0 equal to, now here a into v square, then b into v square, then c into v also. Therefore, here the coefficient of v is c. That implies c equal to 0. Next, put v equal to 1. Put v equal to 1. Therefore, this will become 1 minus 1 equal to a into 1 plus 1 plus 1 into b plus c. It is equal to 2a plus b plus c. That is 0 equal to 2a plus b plus c. Here we get a equal to 1 and c equal to 0. That implies what? 2a plus b equal to 0, a equal to 1. Therefore, 2 plus b equal to 0, b equal to minus 2. Therefore, this will become changes into what? That is integral 1 minus v square divided by v into 1 plus v square dv. That is dv equal to a. Here a is 1. 1 by v, integral 1 by v. Then b is minus 2. That is minus 2v. C is 0 by 1 plus v square dv. That is, this integral will become changed into integral 1 by v minus 2v divided by 1 plus v square dv. That is equal to integral 1 by v dv minus integral 2v divided by 1 plus v square dv. Then integral 1 by v dv, that is log v, minus here integral 2v divided by 1 plus v square, that is integral f dash of x by f of x. That is, here f of x is 1 plus v square, f dash of x is 2v. Therefore, the integral of f dash of x by f of x is log f of x. Now here it is log 1 plus v square. Therefore, the LHS will become what? Log mod v minus log 1 plus v square. Then RHS is what? It is equal to integral dx by x. That is, it is equal to log x. Integral 1 by x dx is log x. Or this will be changed into what? This side will be log mod v minus log 1 plus v square equal to log x plus log c. That implies log v minus log 1 plus v square, that is log v by 1 plus v square equal to log a plus log b, that is log x plus log c, that is log cx. That implies v by 1 plus v square equal to cx. Next, we have to replace v equal to y by x. Therefore, y by x divided by 1 plus y by x whole square equal to cx. That implies y by x by x square plus y square by x square equal to cx. Y by x divided by x square plus y square divided by x square. We have to take this reciprocal multiplication. Therefore, the numerator will become xy. That implies xy divided by x square plus y square equal to cx. Therefore, xy equal to cx into x square plus y square. Therefore, y equal to c into x square plus y square. It is the general solution. Next question. Find particular solution satisfying condition x square dy plus xy plus y square dx equal to 0. When x equal to 1, y value will be 1. Now here given x square dy equal to minus of xy plus y square dx. Therefore, dy by dx equal to what? Minus of xy plus y square divided by x square. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus of xy plus y square divided by x square. That is minus of y by x plus y by x whole square. It is the homogeneous differential equation. Next, we have to put v equal to y by x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to what? V plus x into dv by dx. Then next, substituting here, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx equal to minus of v plus v square. Therefore, x into dv by dx equal to minus v square. Then again, this v will be coming here, that is minus v. That is equal to minus 2v minus v square. That is equal to here minus, take it as outside, minus of 2v plus v square. That is x into dv by dx equal to minus of 2v plus v square. That is x into dv by dx equal to here minus v will be taken as outside, minus v into 2 plus v. Therefore, dv by v into v plus 2 equal to minus dx by x. Next, we have to integrate on both sides. Therefore, integral dv by v into v plus 2 equal to minus integral dx by x. LHS integral dv by v into v plus 2. That is here 1 by v into v plus 2 equal to what? A by v plus b by v plus 2. That is equal to a into v plus 2 plus b into v equal to 1. The numerator is 1. Next, put v equal to 0. Put v equal to 0. We get 1 equal to 2a. Therefore, that implies a equal to 1 by 2. Then, next, put v equal to 1. Therefore, this will be 1 equal to a into 1 plus 2 plus b. That's equal to 3a plus b equal to 1. Here a equal to 1 by 2. Put a equal to 1 by 2 here. That implies 1 equal to 3 by 2 plus b. Therefore, b equal to what? 1 minus 3 by 2. That's equal to 2 minus 3 by 2. That's equal to minus 1 by 2. That is here a equal to 1 by 2 and b equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, this integral becomes changed into integral dv by v into v plus 2. That will be equal to integral dv by v into v plus 2 equal to what? Integral here a equal to what? 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 by v minus 1 by 2 divided by v plus 2 dv. That is b equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here it is equal to 1 by 2, take it as outside, 1 by 2 into integral 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 2 dv. That's equal to 1 by 2 into integral 1 by v dv minus integral 1 by v plus 2 dv equal to here integral 1 by v dv is log v. Log v minus integral 1 by v plus 2 dv is log v plus 2. That is here the LHS will become 1 by 2 into log v minus log v plus 2. That is integral dv by v into v plus 2 can be changed into 1 by 2 into log v minus log v plus 2. And RHS is what? Minus integral dx by x. That is minus integral 1 by x dx. That is minus log x. Therefore, the RHS will be minus log x. Therefore, this integral will become changed into 1 by 2 log v minus log v plus 2 equal to here RHS is minus log x plus log c. That implies here 1 by 2 into log v minus log v plus 2 equal to minus log x plus log c. That implies log v minus log v plus 2 equal to minus 2 log x plus log c. Now here it is equal to here. That implies log v plus 2 log x. 2 log x can be written as log x square. Next you have to write 2 log x as log x square minus log v plus 2 equal to log c. That is minus 2 log x. Take this side. That implies log a plus log b and 2 log x is equal to log x square. Therefore, it is equal to log v plus log x square minus log v plus 2 equal to log c. That implies here log v plus log x square, that is equal to log v x square, log a plus log b, that is log ab, then minus log v plus 2, that is log a minus log b, that is log a by b, divided by v plus 2, that is log v x square divided by v plus 2 equal to log c. Therefore, v x square by v plus 2 equal to c. Put v equal to y by x here. That is y by x into x square divided by y by x plus 2 equal to c. That implies x square y divided by 2x plus y. Here, the numerator x square y divided by x. Then the denominator is 2x plus y divided by x. X cancelled. Therefore, it is equal to x square y by 2x plus y equal to c. Then put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. We will get the particular solution. That means we have to find out the value of c here. This is the general solution. Next, we have to find out a particular solution. Put x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Therefore, 1 by 1 plus 2 equal to c. That implies c equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, the general solution will become changed into a particular solution, that is x square y by 2x plus y equal to 1 by 3. That implies 3x square y equal to 2x plus y. This is the particular solution. Next question. Find the particular solution satisfying the condition 2xy plus y square minus 2x square dy by dx equal to 0. When x equal to 1, y value will be equal to 2. Now here the equation 2x square dy by dx equal to what? 2xy plus y square. Therefore, dy by dx, first we have to write into homogeneous form. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 2xy plus y square divided by 2x square. That is equal to, here first term 2xy by 2x square, that is equal to y by x. 2 cancelled, x and x cancelled. Therefore, denominator x is existing. Therefore, y by x plus the second term 1 by 2, that is y square by 2x square, that is 1 by 2 into y by x whole square. That is dy by dx equal to y by x plus 1 by 2 into y by x whole square. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Next, we have to put v equal to y by x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to what? v plus x into dv by dx. Therefore, the homogeneous differential equation becomes v plus x into dv by dx equal to y by x v plus 1 by 2 v square. Therefore, x into dv by dx equal to what? Here, v plus 1 by 2 v square. Then minus v and v cancel. Therefore, 1 by 2 v square. That is x into dv by dx equal to 1 by 2 v square. Therefore, 2 dv by v square equal to dx by x. This is the variable separable form. Next, integrate on both sides. Therefore, 2 into integral dv by v square equal to integral dx by x. Then integral 1 by v square, that is v raised to minus 2. Integral v raised to minus 2, that is v raised to minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, that is v raised to minus 1 by minus 1. That's equal to minus 1 by v. Therefore, this one is minus 1 by v. That is 2 into minus 1 by v, that is minus 2 by v equal to, here what? Integral 1 by x dx, that is log x plus c. Minus 2 by v equal to y by x equal to log mod x plus c. That's equal to minus 2x by y equal to log mod x plus c. This is the general solution. Next, when x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Therefore, the general solution put when x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. The general solution is minus 2 divided by 2 equal to log 1. Log 1 value will be 0 plus c. That implies here log 1 is 0. That implies what? Minus 2 by 2 equal to c. Since log 1 equal to 0. Therefore, c equal to minus 1. The particular solution is put c equal to minus 1 in general solution. That is minus 2x by y equal to log x minus 1. That implies 2x by y equal to 1 minus log x. Now here, throughout multiplying by minus 1, therefore 2x by y equal to 1 minus log x. That implies y equal to 2x by 1 minus log x. Here, x not equal to 0 or x not equal to e. When x equal to 0, that is log 0, 1. Therefore, the denominator is 0. The function does not exist. When x equal to e, then log e, the value will be 1. Therefore, 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, the function is not existing. Therefore, x not equal to 0 and x not equal to e. This is the particular solution.